Hello pupils, how are we doing today? Good day to parents. It's Miss Benita from Practical Computers Comprehensive Schools, and we'll be having our social habits for the second week. Our topic is the different people of Nigeria. The different people of where? Nigeria. Alright, now we are going to be looking at what we want to achieve by the end of this lesson. By the end of this lesson, I would like all of us to know that there are many tribes in Nigeria, and I would like us to know some of them, not just our own tribe. We'll be able to know some of the other tribes in Nigeria. And also I want us to know the different languages, languages of the different people in Nigeria, because we speak Igbo, other people speak Hausa, and so on. And I would like us by the end of the lesson to be able to tell Auntie the official language in Nigeria. The official language where? In Nigeria. Alright, now we are going to be looking at some of the different tribes in Nigeria. Nigeria is a country with many tribes, but we are going to be looking at just some of them. We're going to be looking at them. First, we have the Igbo people of Nigeria. The Igbo people of Nigeria. The next is the Hausa people of Nigeria. We have the Yoruba people of Nigeria. We have the TV people of Nigeria. We have the Ijaw people of Nigeria. Now, on the screen, I hope you can see, that is the Igbo people of Nigeria. This is how they look like, and the languages that they speak. As you can see, this is an Igbo man and an Igbo woman, and the language the Igbo people of Nigeria speak is Igbo. For the Igbo people of Nigeria, they speak Igbo. Okay, now we are going to be looking at the next tribe, that is the Hausa people of Nigeria. And the Hausa people of Nigeria, who can tell me what they speak? Tell me. If the Igbo people of Nigeria speak Igbo, the Hausa people of Nigeria speak what? Hausa. They speak what? Hausa. So now we know that the Hausa people of Nigeria speak the Hausa language. They speak the what? Hausa language. Now we can see the Yoruba people of Nigeria. The Yoruba people of where? Nigeria. And I know we already know what they speak. Is it not true? Who can tell me? Who can try? Who can attempt? Anybody? Okay, I'll still tell us. The Yoruba people of Nigeria speak the words, the Yoruba language. They speak the words, the Yoruba language. Alright. Now we are going to be looking at another tribe in Nigeria. We might not have heard of this one before. The Ijaw people. The which people? The Ijaw people. The Ijaw people of Nigeria. We can see the fine woman. This is an Ijaw person. And the Ijaw people of Nigeria speak what? The Ijaw language. They speak the words, the Ijaw language. Alright, looking at the Efik. We can see the picture of this gorgeously dressed man and woman. As you can see, their dresses are fine. These people speak Efik. What did I say? Efik. Again, Efik. These people are the Efik people of Nigeria, and they speak what? Efik. They speak what? Efik. Their language is Efik. Alright. Now, I want us to know, because there's so many people in Nigeria, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Ijaw. If I speak Hausa for an Igbo person, the Igbo person might not do what? Understand. And if I speak Yoruba to an Hausa person, the Hausa person might not do what? Understand. That is why we have one language in Nigeria, an official language, the one that all of us use. Do you understand? Just like I'm talking to you now, what am I using to speak to you? It is English language. The English language is the official language in Nigeria. Do we understand? That is the language you can use to talk to a Yoruba person and a Jaw person, a TV person, and they will do what? Understand. So in Nigeria, our official language is English language. Our official language is what? English language. I hope we learned something today. I want us to be good. Make sure we do our assignment and stay tuned for our next lesson on social habits. Do enjoy the rest of your day.